guys, I'm going to record this very quickly as we start off. We will be doing this in live today as well, but I just wanted to go ahead and record this for you, so hopefully it will be helpful. So this is going to be your virtual notebook template. These are both just tutorial videos of how to do various things on this as we're going there. But I want to show you how to insert an image actually into your slides, because you're going to be taking your slides through notes, okay? So follow these instructions, click on the blue link above the assignment that will take you to the Google slide. So that's going to be right here. I'm going to click on that. Okay, then you're going to pick a notebook cover and you're going to put your name on it. So I'm going to pick this one. Okay, and so then I'm going to delete the rest of these. Okay, I need to get rid of this real quick. Okay, so then you're going to come here and it tells you what you're supposed to do. Pick a notebook cover, you'll be adding an image, label the page world map. So you're going to come right here on slide number 1, label world map. You're going to come over here, world map. Okay, you'll be adding this image. So you're going to click on this image, it's going to download for you. And then you're going to have a couple options up here depending on your computer. You can likely right click and then click Save As. And I'm going to do World Map 1. I'm going to save that to my computer. So I'm going to exit out of that, go back into my slide. Now the easiest way to do this, there's a couple ways. First one being insert an image, but the second one I think is way easier. So you're going to take this, you're going to minimize it, you're going to find your image. So I'm going to find World Map right here. You're going to drag it onto here. And then all you'll need to do is make it bigger. So that is what you'll have to do for your first slide. You can also, if you would like to do it another way, you can insert an image, upload from computer, and then you can choose your world map, and it will do it the same way. So those are a couple of different ways that you can actually do this. So hopefully that was helpful.